middle, and end. Position of the letters. So if you say beginning, ito yung nasa una, beginning. Middle, nasa gitna. At ending sound, yun yung nasa hulihan. Ending sound. Beginning, middle, and end. O, practice tayo ha. We say beginning, you raise your arms up. Beginning, middle, sideward. And then if it is narinig ninyo ay sa hulihan, you put down. You put your arms down. So beginning, ready? Beginning, middle, and end. Okay. So let us practice. When I say the sound, nasaan nyo naririnig? Saan nyo naririnig? If you hear it at the beginning, itataas ang kamay. If you hear it at the middle, nakadipa, sideward. If you hear it at the end of the word, you put your arms down. O, sige daw. The word is left. Ano nga ito? Left. Kapag naririnig, anong naririnig sa unahan? Left. What is the beginning sound? Left. Ano yung beginning sound? Ano? Mamaya kayo tupasa. What is the beginning sound of left? What is the middle sound in left? What is the ending sound of left? Okay, so practice na tayo. Nasaan ang sound ng O? Okay. Ulit, bisa natin. Left. Hindi pa yun. Left. Hanggang simula. Left. Okay, baba. Sige. Okay, practice tayo isa pa. Okay. Ready na tayo. Ready. Where is E in left? Where is E in left? Okay, very good. Sideward. Where is O in left? Okay, very good. Upward. Where is T in left? Ang galing. Now, let us change letter E to letter I. Okay, when you hear E in lit, where is E in lit?
Let's.
Where is E in lit? O, ano sa kanya? Nasaan daw yung E in lit? Is it beginning, middle, or end? Where is E? Where is E? Yes, sideward. Very good, palakpakan.